How you do makeup is offensive. Everyone can do makeup different ways. See, I think that's what you don't quite understand. I don't do my makeup for you because you're like 50 with gray facial hair, and I'm not actually trying to be attractive for you. I know it's hard for you to like wrap your mind around, but I'm actually not trying to be attractive for anyone. It's just what I like to see when I look in the mirror. So I don't necessarily need to watch a makeup tutorial because I'm not trying to look like other people. I'm trying to look like what I think looks good. Now, I checked out your profile. If I've learned one thing, it's that people take out their own problems on others. And I'm really sorry to hear that you are in a domestic violence relationship. But you're physically abusing people in the same way that someone physically abused you. You're doing it on an emotional level, making people feel just as hurt as you were hurt. So you can't take out your trauma on others. If you don't like the way someone looks, you don't have to tell them. That seems unnecessary. And you're repeating the same abusive behavior that was done to you. That's wrong. And real talk, you're way too old to be acting like that. I could go watch as many makeup tutorials as possible, but you might want to take some tutorials on possibly be a kind and compassionate person. Therapy helps, and I hope this helps.